Hi students, good morning. Well, today I am again discussing some important topic, and that is the differences between blood and lymph. Again, in a 5-minute talk, I will discuss this, explain this, and as I had said earlier, just associate these names, blood and lymph, with some common words and some common expressions. Like whenever you talk about blood, what comes in your mind? The color red, because blood is red. Generally, but you have also to remember, students, that there are some lower animals, members of mollusca, like crabs, lobsters, and also your crayfish, etc., which are having blue blood because of the presence of hemocyanin. Except those smaller animals, some of them, all the higher animals, including human beings, are having red colored blood. Why? Because of the presence of hemoglobin, which is red. But in lymph, as far as lymph is concerned, there is no color. So it is colorless. Whenever you talk about or think of lymph, so then the colorless thing has to come in your mind. That is, it has got no color because it has no pigment. Right? So what are the other differences? Considering the cells, blood cells, RBC, WBC, platelets. Lymph, only one cell, that is WBC. Blood, three formed cells, erythrocytes, leukocytes, and thrombocytes. And in lymph, it's only leukocyte, that is WBC. Third, protein content in blood, protein is highly present, or protein content is very high. In lymph, protein content is low. Fourth, fibrinogen is high in blood, is low in lymph. Fibrinogen, what does it do? It helps in the blood clotting process, because fibrinogen is only converted into fibrin, right? Which is the final clot, but it is less there in lymph. Digested food, when it is absorbed, is more in blood than in lymph. Digested food is less in lymph. When you talk about flow of blood and flow of lymph, blood is flowing from heart to different parts of the body through arteries, and from different parts of the body towards the heart through veins. Exceptions are there in arteries and veins, as you all know, pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein, but other than that, the blood is flowing from heart to all the parts of the body through arteries, and from parts of the body towards the heart through veins. But in case of lymph, it is flowing in the lymph vessels and lymph capillaries from the organs towards the vein, from the body organs towards the veins. So through the lymph vessels and lymph capillaries. So these are the differences, students. You have to just understand them and remember them, and they are definitely going to help you in your exams, in your discussions, or understanding the different functions in the body or in the system. So with that, I am closing this topic, and I'm wishing to come back with some other important topics. Mostly the differences, because you can learn the chapters, you can understand, but sometimes we leave the differences, or we hardly remember the differences. So I am trying to explain the differences as much as possible. So with that, I am closing this video, and we will come back again with some other important parts or topics. Till then, thank you so much. Stay blessed.